BJP project is to divide India. The Congress project is to unite India. The BJP divides, the Congress unites. BJP is equal to uniformity, Congress is equal to unity. But the Congress has always believed that India's unity is because of its diversity. Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, would always say, unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. Today, diversity is threatened, therefore unity is threatened. The BJP and the RSS reject India's diversity, and that is why unity is being weakened, and that is why we have launched Bharat Jodo Yatra. This is the background to the Bharat Jodo Yatra. This has not been done for any assembly election. It has not been done for 2024 Lok Sabha election. And Mr. Venugopal will explain to you how this Bharat Jodo Yatra is the Sanjeevani for the Congress. The Congress party organization, block level, district level, state level, are being strengthened through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. And such Bharat Jodo Yatras will be organized not just in the 12 states where this 3,570 kilometers is going, but also in the non-Yatra states like Assam, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand. There will be smaller yatras.